Okay, all city auctioneers here with another vehicle for our April 10th, 2024 online auction. This is a government surplus 2013 Kubota RTV1100. You can see in the background there's actually two of them selling at this auction sale. Highest bid wins. I have the door open right now because dummy me, this is my second attempt at this video because the last time I didn't have the keys, so kind of hard to start it up and show you how it runs when I can't actually start it up and show you how it runs. So anyways, let me get back to the video now. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about a 2013, it's an RTV1100. This is a four-wheel drive, a diesel powered utility vehicle. It's got a fully enclosed cab, windshield, doors, back window. It's heated, it's got air conditioning. The dump box here is powered hydraulic. It's also got a hydraulic PTO out the back, you know, in case you want to run your farm implements or cedar spreaders, whatever, you know, salt spreader, plows, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And so the cage here in the back folds up. There's extra lighting on the cab. Now I'll just open the door here again and I will get inside here and go, okay, let me see, what am I going to talk about? Oh, the mat here on the floor is kind of worn out. Seat's got some tears in it. There is storage underneath the seat. Put your lunch in there if you want. There's all your controls for your dump body and stuff like this. There's throttle controls, handbrake, light controls, and let me go here. I'm gonna give you the hours first. 1,286.8 hours. There you go. She's got air conditioning, and yes, believe it or not, I was shocked when I seen the button, so I actually gave it a test, and it does blow cold air. So there you go. Fires right up. I have driven it around the yard. I have driven it in both four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive because it actually arrived in four-wheel drive, and I took it out because it doesn't turn as sharp for moving it around the yard. Windshield here pops right out. Does something like this, I think. Look at that. Good airflow there. Don't know why you need air conditioning if that would do that, but that folds right out like that. Now I'm gonna go and put the camera down, and oh, let me put the dump box up. And then I'll let you listen to the motor. That's what I was supposed to be doing. Tires look to be in pretty decent condition. You'll probably get another season or two out of them, I guess, depending on how hard you work them for a year. Like I said, double doors. You just open this one here. She's locking, full cab, padded seats, two-person seating. And like I said, we have driven it around the yard, forward, reverse. Seems to run and operate as required. I'll just let you see here. So this is selling unreserved on Wednesday, April 10th, 2024. We use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. Hope you get another buy-by auction.